How to convert CSV files into JSON files. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to convert CSV files into JSON files using Forensic CSV Converter software. To install the Forensic CSV Converter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides user with dual options. You can choose either one of the options available. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing CSV files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of CSV files within the selected folder will appear on the left. Click on any file to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the headers in the selected CSV file. Contents of the CSV file can be previewed on the panel on the right. This tool also enables the user to search for particular data. Now let's see the conversion process. Click on Export button and select Conversion option. This tool provides user with multiple conversion options. Let's select Convert to JSON option for this tutorial. Location bar allows the user to view the destination path for the converted JSON files. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders option removes all the old folders on the destination path. Enable or disable it using the button. Open Folder After Export is Done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Enable or disable it using the button. The Set File Header Status option will match headers from a CSV file into converted JSON files. User can select or deselect folders for conversion using the checkbox in the panel next to the Set File Header Status option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the conversion process. Click on the Save button, and the conversion process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that Trail version will only process 10 files, and to remove the conversion limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click on OK. Click on Open Folder button to open the destination folder. And here you have your newly converted JSON files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.